This stock is a sleeping giant, and it is GameStop, okay? Because we gotta talk about GameStop because the memes are never over. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to everybody here on the channel. For today's video, I am back with another Stock Talk video. For today's Stock Talk video, we're gonna be talking about the stock of GameStop, ticker symbol GME. Guys, if you're new here, don't forget to click the links down below in the description to join my Discord server, follow me on my TikTok account, and subscribe to me here on YouTube. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please take this information as it is. Today, we're gonna be talking about GameStop because, yet again, it's one of the top trending Reddit, Wall Street bets, and just in general trending stocks out there right now. There's a lot of big name tech stocks, and there's just a lot of big stocks that we've seen in the past, like a lot of our Wall Street bet names, that are coming back again and in full force. And GameStop right now is looking bullish, and there's a couple reasons to why that is. And today we're going to be going over them. So this 180-day SMA line here represents the overall direction of where the stock is headed. And something interesting that caught my eye was the other day, the stock bounced 3 times, which means on 3 different candlesticks on a 4-hour time frame chart. This stock bounced perfectly on this 180 SMA line, bounced and surged to the upside. So that doesn't mean that necessarily it's going to bounce every time like that. But another thing to take into consideration is the same day that it tested it on this 4-hour candle and then fell back down, but then the second candle surged right through and jumped from 170 up to this resistance area of 224. That was a huge day, and because of that, it broke through this resistance, which was acting as resistance, but now is considered support, because remember, past resistance, which it was right here, is now future support. So now it's that support where it was resistance. Resistance here, broke through, and now it's support right here and bounced. So just by taking into consideration our 180-day SMA line and our 180-day chart, you can see that GameStop bounced at this 180-day SMA line, so let's make sure that it can hold around this 180 area and stay above it moving forward. Our next thing to take into consideration is 3 different trend lines that we have drawn out here. Trend line 1 around this 145 area, trend line 2 around this 168 area, and trend line 3 all the way up here around 225. These I kind of just threw on there just to kind of basically organize these different sections. We were trading for a while within this lower channel right here and broke this 180-day SMA line. We searched the upside and we've been very, very volatile. Look at the size of the candlesticks. Look at the wicks right here on our volume. We've had a lot more volume ever since we broke through, and there's a lot more that's been happening with GameStop trading-wise, giving us better opportunities. Now, GameStop moving forward, what I want to see from it, I really want to see it break back above this $200 area. $200, it tried to hold here. It did. Broke through here, but bounced back above 200, held here decently well, and plunged through. Tried to break through again the other day, couldn't really, and then got rejected back down. So really, $200 is my sweet spot. If I can get above $200, I know that all I have to do is make sure that I stay above this 180-day SMA line, okay? And as long as we can hold above that in the long term, that's overall going to show me that GameStop is a bullish upward pattern, and we're finally starting to begin our uptrend again. Along with that, if we get any hype and any just volatility, volume, movement, buyers, news from the memes, from the Wall Street Bets Reddit page, anything at all that gets AMC moving, that gets GameStop moving, any of these short squeeze stocks, that is going to be huge for AMC and GameStop, and especially GameStop because it is the king among all short squeezes. So guys, what am I looking at? I'm looking at GameStop back above this $200 area. I want to make sure it holds this 180-day support level. And you know what? If we get a break or even closer to this 220 area, let's watch to see what happens. If we get rejected here, I think we fall back down. But if we can break through 225 area, that's huge, and that's a sure sign that we're going to continue this bullish pattern. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please take this information as it is. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.